Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ANIN.EDUCATION. Before we start, please subscribe, like, and comment and share. Right now, we learn about welding with manual metal arch welding. Definitions: Standard PPA, standard personal protective equipment used in process land area which consistent stop unclothed fire retardant work, helmet, earplug, glasses, respirator, and safety shoes. Manual metal arc welding, also often called arc welding electricity or electric welding with electrode webs, SMAW, namely a welding process with use welding machine, welding electrode, and done manually. Electrode electrode holder, or connected welding wire to cable positive. Mesh cable that has negative change, ELCB, electrically circuit breaker, number two breaker current electricity when there is leakage current so that working can protect it from leakage current electricity and equipment, factor equipment, the installations of pipe, pump, blower, gear reductor, electric hoist. Tools often called tools, namely tool have work like case, and lifting equipment, tools for lift such as cranes, chain block, lever blocks, and lifting equipment. Lifting equipment, normal lifting material using tools lift. For example, iron boat sling, strikers, and others. Working using electric arc welding is an activity that has the potentials to be hazardous. Dangers Number one, dangerous movement in the warmth of heat by a car welding machine welding machine. Two, danger electric A. Strong electric current. B. Strong current electricity from the cable extensions in matter use inverter welding machine. Number two, danger pressure in the form of explosion if welding whistle close. Number four, dangerous temperature burn or exposed hot from welding. Number five, dangerous chemical, biological, and radiations. A. Exposed to dioxide gas welding. B. Exposed radiations food. Number six, danger noise in the form of exposed noise. Number seven, danger gravity. A. Fall from height if working at height more from 1.8 meter. B. Fall from same level, for example, tripping over material or cable. C. The wall object. A. Lift and A. Working with load. B. Equipment list and C. Manual lifting. 9. Ergonomic. A. Fatigue and unsuitable position safe. Complete work requirement and equipment. Number one, complete conditions worker. Amount worker customized with type, job, and location work. Competent and do electric arc welding. Working must follow a condition safety work or condition work order as regulation by each location work. Number two, prepare equipment needed. Use standard PPA and additional PPA in the form of sarong hand, welding welding gloves, apron, and visor. If working at altitude, use full body harness. Appropriate tools with welding machine that will use can in the form of electric arc welding machine, one set, measuring tool, general like meter, oxy Z, hand hammers, cleaning hammers, weld cross, steel brass, wire or electro heater. Number three, ask for permit to work if required. B, request a hot for permit if required. Make preparations. Step 1, identifying hazard and control. Learn, understand, and implement SOP. Learn and understand other works of order. The dangers is not all danger in the identified. And you can control users list document SOP, JSA, assessment for identity dangers. Work step number two, identifications of potential danger that can arise from the work process and from environment places work. Select and apply control or potential existing dangers. You can control the observations field as to party related like the barrier or area or not. Work prepare and checks work tool. The danger is the wall tools. You can control drone being relatively many tools without tools help like pick, don't bring at a time. Will prepare welding machine, perform a brief operations check to ensure proper welding machine use. Leave or move welding machine and place in a safe and free area from other activities. Install the equipment welding machines such as cable mesh and electrode. The danger is welding machine fall while being lifted and control. Use to lift and to have lifted the SVR and accordance with UV welding machine. Make sure bonds strong and balanced. Repair number three. Repair welding machine. Welding machine fall wire while being lifted. Control. 3. Make sure to use standard and desired use done is at appropriate under the material being lifted. Limit the work area. If using inverter welding machine, make sure rope carrier internal welding machine control condition strong, not easy separated. 7. Follow the procedure lifting. The danger hit by car welding machine. If welding machine has wheel of the mounted on the runway or lorry, control don't move a welding machine yourself. Ask for help friends. Make sure the route to be paid safe. And the danger and the leads cable. Control make sure cable rolls up and arranged. Need tidy of thread cable if need protections cable so as not to wrap it around the legs. The dangers from current electricity. Make sure isolations cable to the match. Use LCB if needed. Don't rise or lower the electric breaker if not done. It's not oven authority and competence. The dangers is anti-glide around. You can control make sure rotating a component of welding machine in the garage. Make preparation work, preparation object material, clean object work from rust point and oil, use grinder, stone or brass, cut object work in accordance required size, create a wall or B-level for welding charge, use acetylene or grinding, install or adjust the positions of the work piece according to the installation and welding positions. The danger is exposed heat or fire control. Follow the SOP procedure for oxy. Using oxyacetylene, the danger is danger. You said grinding hand. Number one, follow procedure SOP using power tool. Welding with electric arc welding work set or adjust the welding machine according to the job requirement. The danger is error, arrangement or setup machine result in quality result. Welding not enough good. You can control customer current amperes with type and thickness of material to connect cable mass and the electrode according to required populations. And work step take the appropriate electrode with the material to be welded. Make sure the electrode is not moist. And work turn on in the welding electrode with follow method. And work do welding. The danger is quality result welding to the achieve. Two explosions while welding on a closed vessel. Can the control set current appropriate welding machine thickness, object work and electrode? Make sure vessel not containing oil. Make sure there is ventilation enough for throwaway. Pressure of the vessel. Content of the vessel with the water. Don't stand in the direction release connection vessel, for example, is drummed down to the stand on. Welding the welding Do welding danger explosions while welding on pipe installations control. Make sure in pipe installations not containing oil or easy material burner. Clean the content of the pipe. Do isolations, look and take procedure. This correct the rest pressure in the pipe installations. The danger explodes not or burning. Control clean up the welding object and the information from the easy ingredients barn. Get ready tools and takers and use welding PPA and the danger exposed to take gas control, follow confined space procedure, make sure there is good ventilations and danger export radiations control limit time explodes. Ending the job work checks result welding, the danger exposed hot controllers, result welding core before checks, exposed to pressure if the welding inspections use pressure. You can control when the pressure is on given, done is the near with weld equipment. Work keep equipment work. 1. Clean and check equipment work. Label and condition of the damaged equipment. Tidy up the safe equipment. Reporting result work. Close all permissions work. Method of turning on the welding electrode using technical swing electrode on the surface object. Work like turn on match wire and level settle electrode so turns object work. If there is the arc goes on, it means electrode to high far from the object work. If the electrode stick to object work, swing electrode with the fast for left it cool. Use technique taps. The taps electrode is a way particle on the object work. Leave a little from start turn on electric arcs. If there is if there are in on off, meaning electrode to high far from object work. If electrodes stick to object work, swing electrode with the fast for the lets it on. Welding technique with the learn of object drawing for determining type connections, set the ampere or the currents approaches welding diameter of the electrode used. Like plates, current, electrodes, millimeter, switch, ampere, and millimeter in inch. Welding technique install the object, make sure the positions object are already approached. Do its burdening to take well so that the positions object not saving mainly consequences word. Do not do its welding. A keeping up corner electro slope. Keep its speed welding or the feeding. Welding can done with or without sling if struck so. Swing with maximum 2 electrode diameter. Swing can done with this zigzag or curved. Make welding layers. 1. Clean truss on the weld layer then will be coated. Use hammer cleaning welding slag and steel brush. 2. If there is a weld seam hole or porous, repair or remove or the use machine grinder. When doing welding on a vessel close, make sure there is ventilation on the vessel if possible. Water content. Welding position correct connections and plate position T joint filed well and positions connections overlapping. Wheel position hazard connections and positions vertical connection and position vertical T join and overlap. While the position overhead positions inspect and review of the welding results, the influence from the welding seam, one corner electrode, corner to small, electron movement directions, corner to big. Hick electrode from the object to source normal and low, which picture number 1. Number 2, speed electrode finding to show normal and to phase. Inspection and repair of welding result inspection result. Pour too much spark loads, weld wire rods in the unopened, quarter weld not enough, bad penetration is not enough. Good a little spark, but or near, promotions enough character, no overlap, penetrations enough. Reference law number one of 100, 1970, considering safety work, considering occupations, occupational healthy and safety, general ministry and of mining energy, regulation of the minister of the energy mineral resource, and mandatory degree considering threshold limit values or the physical factor in the place work. Conclusion. Okay, everyone. Welding process with manual metal arc welding MMAWI as one the method the most common and the most common welding used in industry, manufacturing, and constructions. This is technique used electrode layer from the crystallizing gas during the welding process, so that not the equipment additional such as external gas. Several mine MMAV is flexible for stability and capability for use in the various type metal and precision welding. In addition, the equipment relative simply and cost is operations enough economical. However, just this process also has a number of limits, such as welding sport, the thickness of the slick, the mask cleaning, and operation skill are very important quality welding results. In a way, overall, MMAWI remain become choice popular structural welding and repair because confinement is used, especially in the wild or environment often for gets optimal welding result. Requirement understanding comprehensive about welding parameters, type electrode use, as well as technique proper welding. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If I made a mistake, sorry, and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.